front of me is LENOVO Idea Tab Plus 12.1 Mate Edition, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, go into your keyboard and tap on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you don't have one, don't worry, just click on the gear icon over here. If you do have it, tap on gear icon anyway to access voice typing. Now to activate voice typing itself, use this switcher next to voice typing. But now I recommend for you to also enable this option called Emojis on toolbar. You will always know where to turn it off if you won't like it after I show you what's up, but for now, enable it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on the now visible microphone. If you never used it before, tap on while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause or click on the same microphone to turn it on or switch it off. Quick tip, when you do click on it, tap on tiny icon that will appear on the left. This one. Now select next, click on done and enjoy using voice typing from this toolbar. If you want to delete text on the go, use this button with an X. If you want to add emojis, thanks to option you enabled before, you can do that by clicking on this smiley face, selecting emojis you wish, and then clicking on this X at the top left corner of emoji keyboard to close it. If you want to move your toolbar around, just hold it and drag it to the proper place. If you want to manage some available settings, click on this icon here. That's available on the left, but as you can see, my keyboard is too bright for you to see it. Actually, let's try. No, still too bright. So let's drag it here and click on it. Last but not least, to go back to standard keyboard, use this icon of a keyboard also on the left or in this orientation at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!